Hello.
Good morning, Duncan. Just over here. Edward? Hello, Edward. I found a man to purchase my remaining sugar. Quite a coup, I must say. He just called you Edward.
Oh, that's the merchant who sailed me here. Out of caution, I gave him a false name.
Ah, well done.
We'll catch up on it later.
Very punctual, Duncan. This way. Here he is. A man both Templars and Assassins have sought for over a decade. I am told your surname is Roberts. Is this so? You recognize this, I think.
According to old tales, the blood of a sage is required to enter the observatory.
We have the key. Now we need only its location. Perhaps Mr. Roberts will be eager to provide it. Transfer him to my residence.
Such a fuss over one man. Is the observatory really such a grand prize?
Sí, sin duda. The observatory was a tool built by the precursor race. Its worth is without measure.
Precursor race? I see.
One of your early letters mentioned a desire to kill the Mayan mentor, Atabay. Were you able to carry out this contract before coming here?
I was not, no. Too many complications along the way.
A pity. But the maps you delivered with the vial will see that job finished.
Aye. That's the idea.
It's too quiet. I don't like this route, Torres. We're exposed.
Something is wrong. Stay close, Grandmaster.
I feel it too. Do not let them get their hands on the sage, at whatever cost.
Assassins!
Guard the sage! Proteger al sabio, vamos!
Une deuxième tempête se lève! To the governor's residence! Quickly!
Watch the streets and alleys. They could be anywhere. Assassin!
Above! They're on the rooftops! The governor's residence is near! Come!
slave! To arms! Protect the sage!
You bastard! Oh, that was nice. Mine cow! Won't even pity you! Poor sad corpse!
Stop him!
You're a nimble one, I'll give you that. Hang back and make this easy on both of us, mate. Stop, or I'll kneecap you! Ha! Nowhere to run.
Have you ever been flayed, boy?
They could never catch me.
Let me go!
Not a chance.
Tengo una carga de granito parada en el puerto esperando plaza. Pero tendría que ir al sitio de creo que es demasiado.
Well done, lapdog.
Quiet.
We'll see him to the prisons, Grand Master.
Double the watch.
Well, I'll be buggered. What an active day we've had, gents.
See, beset on all sides by our enemies, we must be more cautious.
I do wish I could remain to see our drama done, but I must avail myself of these winds and sail for England.
By all means, Captain, speed and fortune to you.
With luck, I'll return myself a governor. And with my idiot king's blessing, no less. Adios.
As for you, Mr. Walpole, I consider this the first payment in a long-term investment. Gracias.
Obliged.
I would like you to be present for the interrogation tomorrow. Call around noon.
Yes, sir.
That felt good, can't lie. All that toil for this pittance. Jesus.
Edward, what a marvelous surprise. Come, have a drink.
God sink me for this pittance. 1,000 reals for those maps. That's what? £100 at most. How's a man supposed to become rich in these times with a miser like Torres running the world?
Have you ever, worked on a plantation before?
You know what I'm thinking? I'd like to see this observatory the governor's going on about. He said it were like a device that could follow people around and show where they were.
A ludicrous idea. Imagine my wife with such an advantage over me.
And imagine what a thing like that'd be worth. Sell that to the right person and I'd be the richest pirate. Privateer in the West Indies. I'll catch you up, Bonnet. There's a sage in that house I must speak to, in private. Ducasse mentioned a prison. Time to find it. To free the sage, I'll probably need a key. That guard in the watchtower is looking lively.
¡Voy a sacarte! Mi rejilla podría esconderse aquí.
¿Qué clase de prisionero tenemos ahora? Demasiado ruido por un solo hombre.
Me han dicho que lo llaman sabio. Supongo que sabrá muchas cosas. ¿Cuántos años crees que tiene Rose? ¿30? No lo sé.
Poor bastards in the gibbets. Lost their ears.
¿Qué trama ahora el carcelero?
¿A esta hora? Nada bueno.
Carcelero.
El
That's
carcelero ha pedido que todos los hombres se reúnan en el patio.
¿Por qué? ¿Es por el prisionero?
No lo sé. Debemos darnos prisa.
¿Eh?
¡A la carga!
Now we dance!
¡Sucia escoria!
¡Muévete y acabas como él! Sois unos cachorros tan torpes como la perra que os parió. Una tarea sencilla y la habéis cagado. Me encantaría pasar esta espada herrumbrosa por vuestras gargantas imberbes. Pero aún debemos arreglar este desastre. ¡Fuera de mi vista! ¡Largo! Antes de que cambie de idea.
¡Sí, señor!
Año tras año buscamos los engendros más necios y les calzamos el uniforme.
I wager Roberts will be behind the door that fits this key. Jesus. What happened?
¡Basta ya! What is your true name, rogue?
It's, Captain Pissoff.
Rien qu'un pauvre paysan.
Where is the sage? Did you set him free?
I had nothing to do with that. Much as I wish I did.
Take him to the ports. Send him to Sevilla with the treasure fleet.
Oh, wait now! I delivered your treasures, didn't I?
You did, yes. But you robbed us of Duncan Walpole.
Edward?
Ahoy, Dove. How are you feeling?
No worse. Just a bit of nausea that won't let go. Have you been at the pub?
I only had 1 pint to save up some coin so I could bring you this.
Is it chocolate?
Aye. It's from the Americas. I mixed it myself. Go on, have a taste. You see, as a privateer, I'll find all manner of novelties in the New World. We'll be the talk of Bristol. So, how does it feel to drink like a duke?
Edward, my father is a merchant. I've had chocolate many times.
Have you?
Have you not?
No.
Go on then.
Oh, it's nice.
We'll save the remainder for after tea. Oh, thank you, love. This was so very thoughtful of you.
La cena. Cómetela rápido.
You hungry?
Now what's your plan, mate?
Find my weapon and steal a ship. Soldier!
Unlucky lads.
I saw the guards store our weapons up front.
Follow my lead.
Que Dios nos ayude. No me gusta la pinta de esa tormenta que se acerca.
Good form. At least we stand a chance.
I am not dying here. Stealing a brig. Hey, take what you need.
Won't be a minute.
There's many prisoners held on these ships. Set them free, and they'll sail with us, no question.
So that's the idea then. Free what men we can, then find a fast ship to flee in.
Aye, there's a brig in this fleet. I'll make my way to it.
¡Los prisioneros han escapado! ¡Alto ahí, maldita sea! ¡Rápido! ¡Que no se escabulla!
There's a catch to this favor. You're sailing with me.
I'd follow you to hell for this, mate.
¿Agua qué? ¿O comida? Me preocupa más mi estómago que las arcas del rey.
¡Allí! ¡Vamos!
¡Ven aquí!
Fliparé.
¡Voy a destrozar!
¡Y arrancaré el corazón por eso!
Come on, lads. If we're to drown today, it won't be here.
Te encontraré. ¡Maldita sabandija!
Preparaos para partir. Casi tenemos encima la...
There's a brig nearby just waiting for us to take her.
¿Visto lo que ha pasado?
¿Qué está pasando?
¿Qué ha pasado? Sigo respuestas. Únete a tus antepasados. Voy a ir a lo más alto. Esto es...
¡Deja de retorcerte, pirata!
We're going topside. Be ready. Let's depose the captain and make his ship ours.
¡Acabaré contigo!
¡Lo tengo a tiro!
Lay aboard, lads!
Save your singing for Davy Jones, you jagabats! It's a hard wind coming!
The man speaks true. You lot weigh anchor. As for the rest, half on the foremast and half at the main. Let's outrun this hurricane. Bark any orders you think wise, mate. We're up against it here.
These men know their place. They'll see us home.
Keep watch on those galleons. See they don't give us trouble.
They won't. Far too slow for this weather.
Let's move!
Come on those stairs! Hold that low!
Fire! Fire! I see it.
The seas tried to swallow us.
Brace yourselves! That's our course.
Out! Devil's tail, that is!
We've made it! What a mess, Jesus!
Oh, by God, we pulled this one straight from the teeth of Neptune. I'm Edward. Much thanks for your aid back there.
Adewale.
Ever been to Nassau, Adewale?
Not yet.
By God, she took some knocks, didn't she? I think I'll keep her. All hands aft, lads! We're taking this one home!